all, I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a romantic question. Do you feel what a Filipina feels in love and intimacy? This is not just about relationships. It's about understanding emotion, vulnerability, cultural nuance, and the unspoken expectations that come with love in the Philippines. Love for a Filipina is rarely just about two people. It's layered. Family expectations sit at the center. A Filipina in love often feels the need to balance her partner's affection with the pride, dignity, and approval of her family. Intimacy, then, is not purely physical, it carries the weight of trust, respect, and sacrifice. When you are with a Filipina, it's not just dating one person. You are experiencing her culture, her upbringing, her values, and yes, her fears. When a Filipina falls in love, she feels it deeply. Many describe it as all or nothing. She may feel nervous about being judged, especially if her partner is a foreigner. She may feel vulnerable because intimacy is often tied to lifelong commitment in her worldview. She may feel protective because she knows that love can be fragile and across cultural relationships. Do you feel those same fears? Do you feel her longing? If you don't, then you're not really meeting her at the emotional level where she lives. Here is where many foreign men get it wrong. A man might think intimacy is a milestone, something you achieve once trust is built. But for many Filipinas, intimacy is not just about passion, it's about surrender. It's saying, I trust you with my body, my emotions, and possibly my future. While you may feel excitement, she may feel vulnerability. While you feel affection, she may feel the weight of destiny. That imbalance can either deepen the relationship or break it apart if not understood. How do you bridge that emotional gap? Listen more than you speak. A Filipina often communicates through subtle hands, gestures, or silence. Respect her timing. If intimacy feels rushed, it may trigger guilt, shame, or regret. Emotions far heavier in her cultural context than in yours. Show loyalty beyond words. Love for her is not just about romance, but about consistency, showing up in both the quiet and chaotic moments. When you enter her world with patience, she will open the gates of emotional honesty. And that is when you'll start to feel what she feels. Do you feel what a Filipina feels in love and intimacy? The truth is, maybe not, at least not naturally. But if you choose to emphasize, if you slow down and meet her where she is, you can. Love with a Filipina isn't about conquering, it's about synchronizing. And once you do, the intimacy you experience won't just be physical, it will be emotional, cultural, and spiritual. That is where the real romantic connection lives. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.